Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about a topic that many of us are struggling with, which is managing acne on dry skin. I've got some solid tips that have worked for me, and I'm excited to share them with you, so let's get started. The first things first is you need a gentle cleanser. You want to look for one that's hydrating, but also contains ingredients like benzoyl peroxide to help control acne. Now, if you find that your cleanser is still making your skin feel overly dry, it might be time for you to switch it up. For example, I was using a cleanser with 10% benzoyl peroxide, and even though it was hydrating, it dried my skin out way too much. The solution? A hydrating cleanser with a lower concentration, like 5% benzoyl peroxide. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Number two is exfoliation. I use exfoliation as a way to get the dead skin and bacteria off of my face, and I'd recommend using a treatment with lactic acid, which is a HAA or a alpha hydroxy acid. Lactic acid is less drying than other exfoliants and works wonders by removing dead skin cells, promoting skin cell turnover, and improving overall texture and tone. Skin cell turnover is basically the process of shedding dead cells and replacing them with fresh ones, which is super important for clear skin. Step 3 is serums. Personally, I use two different ones. The first is a thinner serum with 1% salicylic acid. I apply it and massage it into my face for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you want something stronger, go for a serum with 2% salicylic acid instead. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that exfoliates the skin, unclogs pores, reduces oil production, and has anti-inflammatory properties. It's perfect for tackling blackheads and whiteheads. The second serum I use is 0.1% adapalene gel. This retinoid unclogs pores, reduces inflammation, and helps prevent new acne from forming. Retinoids are vitamin A derivatives that can also stimulate collagen production, which is great for treating acne scars and even wrinkles. Now, for spot treatments, you can apply niacinamide either all over or just on specific acne spots or scars. I suggest using a formulation with 4 to 5% niacinamide, and niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 that's fantastic for both acne and scars because it reduces inflammation and strengthens the skin barrier. It helps regulate oil production and improves texture and tone. Next up is your moisturizer. Make sure to choose a non-comedogenic moisturizer, which means it won't clog your pores. This is crucial because clogged pores can lead to comedones, those blackheads and whiteheads, and ultimately breakouts. A good moisturizer will provide hydration while protecting your skin barrier. Step 6 is sunscreen. Finally, let's not forget about sunscreen. This is super important because it helps prevent skin damage from UV rays. I recommend using a non-comedogenic mineral-based sunscreen that's dermatologist approved. Mineral sunscreens give you immediate protection and are gentler on sensitive skin. For general tips, always go for products that dermatologists recommend, and then always make sure to massage everything into your skin for at least 20 seconds. The last tip is to wait 30 seconds to 120 seconds before applying the next product. So there you have it. Those are my top tips for managing acne on dry skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some time to find out what works best for you.